Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be talking about some composition tricks that can make your diorama look even better. A good composition is essential for creating a visually appealing miniature world that draws the viewer in and tells a story. So let's get started. The first thing to consider when creating a composition for your diorama is the focal point. It's the main element that draws the viewer's attention. Are you trying to tell a story, evoke a particular emotion, or showcase a certain object or location? There can be more than one focal point, which is very common in dioramas. Arrange them carefully to make the eye bounce from one to another to create dynamic composition. Once you know the key points, you can begin to build the rest around them. Another way to create a strong composition is to use the rule of thirds. You've probably seen this template in editing apps. The rule states that an image can be divided into thirds both horizontally and vertically, creating 9 equal parts. The points where the lines intersect are where the viewer's attention is naturally drawn. By placing your focal point at one of these intersections, you can create a more dynamic and visually interesting composition. Next, you can use leading lines. Leading lines are lines that draw the viewer's eye towards the focal point. They can be created using roads, pathways, stairs, or simply by aligning the objects in a certain way. By using leading lines, you can create a sense of depth and guide the viewer's eye towards the most important elements in your scene. Another thing to consider is balance. A balanced composition will have a sense of harmony and symmetry, while an unbalanced composition can feel a bit chaotic and confusing. You can achieve balance by using symmetry, repetition, or by creating a sense of contrast between different elements. Finally, it's important to consider the overall mood and atmosphere of your scene. This can be achieved through the using of lighting, color, and texture. Think of a movie. You can easily guess the mood of the scene by its color scheme and lighting. Movie professionals use this language of color exceptionally well, and it's a great source of inspiration. For example, spooky scenes tend to have several shades of blue and green and dim lights that leave some corners completely dark, creating this game of shadows. Meanwhile, a variety of bright colors create a sense of liveliness and joy. In short, creating a good composition in your diorama is all about telling a story through the placement of objects, characters, and lighting. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes one small adjustment can suddenly make everything come to life. Thank you for watching, and tell me your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you like my content, be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye!